The Social Security process is actually set by federal law. So an attorney cannot charge you more than what Social Security's federal law requires. And that is the lesser of either $6,000 or 25% of what you win in your retroactive or back pay benefits. The way it works is that when you eventually win your case, the time period from when you were first eligible to collect benefits all the way up until Social Security writes that favorable decision or the judge bangs the gavel and you win, you would receive a monthly benefit for that whole time period. The attorney will get a portion of that back pay, that retro benefit, again, 25% of the total you receive up to a maximum of $6,000. So the best way of looking at it is if you make $1, the attorney gets 25 cents. If you make zero, the attorney doesn't get anything. If you make $1 million, we'd hope for a nice Christmas bonus, but the attorney wouldn't make more than $6,000, and that's the limit. There are attorneys that do not go through this fee agreement process, and if you don't reach an agreement with them, they would have to file what's called a fee petition, asking the administrative law judge to approve an appropriate fee for them. Usually it's not going to be more than the $6,000 maximum, and judges have been pretty strong about making sure that that's the way it is. The only other aspect that I think is worth considering is if there are any costs that an attorney may have in order to get medical records for you, if they're out of state, for example. Certain states charge for medical records, or costs that are associated with representing you. An attorney could charge you for those extra costs. However, really the main issue and the main fee in the case is going to be the $6,000 fee or 25%, whatever's less. So the important thing to take out of that is that unless you win the case, the attorney is not making a profit. And it's important to know that because the same way that you have an incentive of helping yourself and your family survive during this difficult time, the attorney has an incentive of winning, otherwise they're not in business. So you have the same goal, and that goal is to win as much as possible and to do it as quickly as possible for both you and the attorney as a team.